What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Kia Sorento. I'm going to check the cabin air filter out today, find out if I need to order one of these or not. So I'll show you guys the process of getting to it. So go ahead and open up your glove box, and you have these stoppers here on the left and right side of the glove box you're going to need to remove. Just turn them counterclockwise, and they come right out, and the glove box will come down just like that. Now normally there's a damper, okay, that's connected to this hole right here, and this one was disconnected, but here is the damper itself. It's just a string. You can see that someone was in here and didn't check it. I probably need to show you how that was connected and how to disconnect it. Okay, so we're back, and normally it looks like this or something kind of like that, I think. And all you got to do is kind of close the glove box and take it, pull it, and retract it, stick it right through. You can let it go, and hopefully that helps you out a little bit. But the cabin filter is in here, and we're gonna need to take this door off, okay? And to do that, I'm gonna unclip it. Man, someone's been in here tearing stuff up. There's normally these clips right here that you squeeze, and it'll let you in. So these are broke. You can clearly see that they're broken here. So I'm gonna have to use a little screwdriver, just kind of pry it. But normally, yeah, you would just squeeze right here and it'll come right off. This car does have a lot of miles on it, so it's had a lot of cabin filters. That plastic is pretty brittle, so yeah, we'll pull this guy out, and it definitely needs one. Wow, it is gross. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, I really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. If you need a filter, there'll be a part number and a link that takes you to Amazon to get a new filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this, and get back on it. And you guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.